Hello everyone. So today we start with a new topic that is a hello everyone. Today we start with a new topic that is isometric projections. So what you have done until now? Until now we have converted the three-dimensional view into the 2D view. So object was given there. For that object, you have drawn the front view, top view, and the side view of the object. So we are going to do exactly reverse in the isometric view. So what we are going to do in this drawing, you are going to convert the 2D view into the 3D views. So in this case, they will give you the front view or side view of the object. They might give you the front view or the top view of the object. You are going to convert into the 3D view. Fine. Let's see this diagram. In this diagram, what is given here? It is given that front view of the object is given and the left hand side view of the object is given. That is drawn on the right side. Fine. Now, by seeing the diagram, what you can find out here? By seeing the diagram, you can find out that what is the length of the object here? Length of the object is 65 mm because length always appears in the front view of the object. So, for what is the first dimension? Length. It is a very important step here to find out the dimension of the particular 3D object. So, length is 65 mm. Then, what is the height of the object? Height of the object is given as 62 mm. Height is 62 mm. And what is the width of the object here? Width of the object is given as 60 mm. Fine. You have halfway through here because you have find out the dimensions of the object here. So length is 65, width is 60, and height of the object is 62 mm. I have written here. So these are the dimensions of that particular object. Fine. Now we'll see how to convert the 2D view into the 3D view. Listen carefully. Listen carefully here. See here. See the front view of the object. In the front view, see the origin point location. You have to see the origin point location here. Tell me, after starting the origin point, on which side there is a length of the object? I am talking about the length of the object. See the origin point and tell me on which side there is a length of the object. With the origin point, the length is on the right side of the object. Got? Length of the object is on the right side of the origin point. Fine. Now see the side view. See the origin point. Tell me on which side of the origin point there is a width of the object. I repeat my question. On which side of the origin point there is a width of the object? There is a on the left hand side of the origin point there is a width of the object. I repeat, on the left hand side of the origin point there is a width of the object. So length is on the right side of the object origin point. Length is on the right side of the origin point and width is on the left side of the origin point. This is very important step here. Just understand this. Now we'll see how to draw the isometric view of this particular object. Fine. So this is your diagram with the given dimensions here, given here, and these are the dimensions here. Length is 65, width is 60, and height is 62. Now we start with the isometric drawing here. Take the origin point here. Draw reference line. Take the origin point here. Take protractor and draw the 30-degree line on both the sides of the origin point. First mark the origin point. On the both sides of the origin point, mark the 30-degree line and draw the one vertical line, that is 90 degree. See here. Draw 30-degree line on the right side. Draw 30-degree line on the left side and draw the vertical line. All these are the projection lines. And tell me, according to a rule, on which side is the length of the object? On the right side there is the length of the object here. You have marked the length on the right side, you have marked the width on the left side, and vertical is the height of the object. So now what you have to do here? You have to complete this particular entire box here or give it given dimension. You have to complete the block of given dimensions here. Height is 62. Use proper roll and draw and draw the proper drawing here. So draw the complete box of length is 65, width is 60 and height is 62. Complete this box here. Fine. Now here the height is given as 15 mm. Height is given as 15 mm. So from the origin point take height of 15 mm here. Keep a distance of 15 mm because that length is given as 15 mm. And you have to complete this how the object will look in the front view. Fine. Now see, just go on drawing the parallel lines here. So in this diagram there are only 3 dimensions: length, width and height of the object. Just go on drawing the parallel lines to the each and every line here and complete this object as you can see in the front view, as you can see in the side view of the object. Fine. What first thing you have to do here, you have to just imagine the object, how the object might be. Already you have done the orthographic projection, so by taking that knowledge you can imagine how the object might look in the isometric projection. See here, at least they will give the 2 views, front view and the top view of the object, or they will give the front view and the side view of the object. So by seeing all these at least 2 views, you can easily imagine the object. As here for the isometry, object will not be complicated one because you are just beginners in engineering graphics. So they will give the simple objects, and with the simple object it is easy to imagine that particular 3D diagram. See here, just I am doing nothing here. I am just going on drawing the parallel lines to each and every line. So this is the isometric view of particular drawing. This is your final diagram. Okay, thank you.